Hi friends. Now another topic of this chapter, basic concept of chemistry. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the system international of units. Very most important topic, system international of unit. System international of units. It is to be said SI units. Very most important topic. So scientists of all over world required common system of measurement related to proper unit. So in France, 11th General Conference, that is called CGPM, Conference General des Poids and Measures, means poids means weights. Conference General Poids and Measures, that was 11th conference held at France. It was discussed during the conference that the proper unit of the substance should be given all over the world, and it was accepted by all over the world. So this is the Conference General des Poids and Measures. It is the bulk of people or bulk of some scientists who decided to discover proper unit for the matter. And it was intergovernmental discussion, and it was to be said meter convention. So intergovernmental discussion or meter convention is also to be said to CGPM, and one decision was taken that there are 7 SI units, and that SI units were accepted by all over the world. And definition of SI units is given that the prefix is allowed to the quantitative any substance or sub-quantitative, or to be allowed the units or substance. Unit is the most important for the SI, System International. There were 7 units were decided by the CGPM, and that 7 units is very most important units that can be easily remembered with the help of technique. So I am writing 7 units short sentence or meaning. You can easily remember all 7 units related to SMT et al. Or LMT et al. LMTE TAL, TAL. LMT et al. You just remember these 7 alphabet, and you can easily remember all these 7 SI units. So basic physical quantity, basic physical quantity, its symbol, SI units and its symbol. We are having 4 different columns in table, and we will remember all these 7 SI unit very easily. L means what? Length. LENGTH, length. First SI unit related to length. M means what? It is mass. T means what? It is time. E means what? It is electric current. T means what? Thermodynamics temperature. Dynamic temperature. In short, I am writing thermodynamic temperature. A means what? Amount of substance. And 7 is the L, means luminous intensity. So you have to remember all these 7 short name: LMTETAL, length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamics, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. These are the 7 quantity for the physical, basic physical quantity. Symbol of length is small l, mass is small m, T means small t, electric current means I, capital I, thermodynamics temperature is capital T, amount of substance is small n, and luminous intensity is means IV. These are the symbol of physical quantity: length L, mass M, time T, electric current I, thermodynamics temperature. This is capital T and this is small t. Kindly remember, if this T is the time and if capital T is the thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance means it is N and luminous intensity means IV. SI unit of length is meter. SI unit of mass is kilogram. SI unit of time is second. SI unit of electric current is ampere. SI unit of thermodynamics temperature is Kelvin. SI unit of amount of substance is mole. And SI units of luminous intensity is candela. Now symbol of meter is small m, kilogram is kg, second for S, ampere means capital A, Kelvin means K, mole means MOL, same, and candela means CD. So these are the 7 very most important SI units. You can easily remember with the help of LMTETAL. L means length, M means mass, T means time, E means electric current, T means thermodynamics temperature, A means amount of substance, and L means luminous intensity. You just remember all these 7 digit or alphabet. With the help of this 7 alphabet, you can fill this table very easily. Any MCQ may be asked from any of this table. You can to be said that what is the symbol SI units of SI units of length, then you must have to give the answer. It is meter. What is the SI unit of time? Then it is second. What is the SI unit of thermodynamic temperature? Then it is Kelvin. You can easily remember. So these 7 units are very most important units. You can easily remember. Try to repeat all this topic. Write down 2 times and you must follow the textbook. From the textbook you have to read everything and you have to send me homework 2 times. Thank you very much.